Hi everyone, Sean Wassell here. Let me ask you a question. Would you use a site like Google Drive if you knew that any other user could see and access your files? The answer is probably no, and yet that's the problem that our note sharing application is dealing with right now, because even though we're keeping track of different users' notes, right? Different users can log in, create their own notes, and we're keeping track of who owns what just fine. We're still not actually preventing users from accessing each other's notes if they know the right request to make. And this is a pretty critical security vulnerability. So what we're going to be taking a look at how to do here today is add route protection to our backend, right? In other words, we're going to see how to incorporate logic that will make sure that users can only access, edit, delete, etc. their own notes. So that's our basic plan of attack. Let's jump right in and see how to do this.